Hi, this is Ravi from the Nifty BN channel. In this video, we will discuss the difference between a naked put and a cash secured put. But before getting to the topic, let's first learn the obligations we face when selling options. When you sell a call option, you are obligated to deliver shares of the stock at the strike price. You are selling the right for the option holder to buy shares from you at the strike price at expiration. On the other hand, when you sell a put option, you are obligated to purchase shares of the stock at the strike price. You are selling the right for the option holder to sell shares to you at the strike price at expiration. Say for example, SBIN is at 188.75 on June 9, 2020 and you sold a 25th June expiry 160 put option at 1.75. Then you are obligated to purchase shares of SBIN at 160 if the option is in the money at expiration. That is, if the market price of SBIN is below 160. Now to the topic, naked puts versus cash secured puts. The naked put, which is sometimes also called the uncovered put, is the sale of a put option without any underlying exposure. It involves significant risk, as it can result in significant losses if the price of the underlying falls in a big way. The maximum profit is limited to the premium received and is achieved when the price of the underlying is at or above the option strike price at expiration. The naked put writer has no intention to acquire the underlying asset and will look to either close the position in loss or gain or roll out if the option is in the money close to expiration. He or she will allow the option to expire worthless if the option is out of the money close to expiration. The cash secured put is a variation of the naked put. Unlike the naked put writer, the cash secured put writer has an intention to acquire the underlying asset, if assigned, and sets aside funds to take care of such a scenario. While the primary goal of the naked put writer is to collect the premium, the primary goal of the cash secured put writer is to acquire the underlying at a desirable purchase price and at a discount. The desirable purchase price is nothing but the strike price of the sold put option, and the discount is nothing but the premium received. Now let's learn about one more important difference, cash settlement versus physical delivery settlement. All index F&O positions, either Nifty or Bank Nifty, are cash settled. All stock F&O positions are physically settled, meaning if you sell a put option on the Nifty index and expect the exchange to settle the position in Nifty base or an equivalent ETF, it is not going to happen. Say you wish to acquire Nifty base only when Nifty trades at the 9500 levels. What you can actually do is sell 9500 strike price put options each week or each month and collect the premium. And if in any particular week or month the sold option is in the money close to expiration, close the position and purchase units of Nifty base just as you would normally do. Let's go back to the example of SBIN. SBIN is at 188.75 on June 9, 2020 and you sold a 25th June expiry 160 put option at 1.75. There can only be two scenarios at expiry. One, the stock stays at or above 160. Other, the stock goes below 160. If the stock stays at or above 160 at expiry, you would get to keep the premium, which is rupees 52.50. And you can repeat the same strategy for the next month and collect more premium. If the stock goes below 160, you would have to purchase it at 160 since you sold the naked 160 put, but you would get a discount of rupees 52.50. That is, you just have to shell out rupees 4,74,750 to purchase the stock you always wanted to have in your portfolio. You can either wait for the stock to appreciate in value or write covered calls and collect premium. If you do not wish to take the delivery, you can close the position a few hours before the expiry to avoid the assignment. Depending on where the stock is trading at and the amount of time left to expiry, you will either break even, make a small profit, or take a loss. Another option is to either roll out or roll out and down the sold option to a future month. Now let's learn what is rolling out and rolling out and down. Roll out. Buy to close the 25th June 160 strike price put option and sell to open the 30th July 160 strike price put option. Roll out and down. Buy to close the 25th June 160 strike price put option and sell to open the 30th July 157.5 or lower strike price put option. This should only be done if you expect the stock to not fall much further. Some recommendations. When you initiate a cash secured put position, you are expected to have sufficient funds with you in case you are assigned the stock at expiry. Also, it is advisable to limit this strategy to only fundamentally strong stocks and sector leaders such as HDFC, HDFC Bank, Kotak Bank, Asian Paints, Hindustan Unilever, Ultratech Cement, etc. It is a bullish strategy and is not recommended in bear market conditions. In essence, naked put and cash secured put are two similar strategies with different objectives. One should not replace the other. Thank you for watching. Please post any questions you have in the comment section. Also, do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.